Are you thinking about transitioning to a healthy plant-based or vegan diet? Do you want some helpful tips that can aid you on your health journey? In this video, we're going to look at what you should eat on a plant-based diet, where to find healthy recipes, how to save time in the kitchen, and more. If you are considering transitioning to a plant-based diet or have recently gone plant-based or vegan, you might have some questions such as, what can I eat and where can I find healthy recipes? So let's look at how you can transition to a healthy plant-based or vegan diet successfully. What to eat on a whole food plant-based diet. A 100% plant-based diet focuses on the consumption of a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fungi, and sea vegetables. It also involves limiting processed foods and not consuming any animal-derived products. We recommend consuming an array of these health-promoting foods daily for balanced nutrition, and having at least 50% raw veggies or fruit at each meal. Educate yourself. It's important to educate yourself on the impact a plant-based diet has on health. There are many great resources out there, including documentaries such as Game Changers and Forks Over Knives, and books such as How Not to Die and Eat to Beat Disease. Check out your local library, as they may have copies of these resources. If you've decided to go plant-based or vegan, there has to be a reason why you chose to do so. Remember the reason you decided to adopt a plant-based or vegan diet, as knowing your big why can be helpful when things get challenging. Where to shop. Most grocery stores stock a wide selection of fresh produce, which is often found near the main entrance. We recommend purchasing most of your groceries as organic fresh produce. There are often sections of grocery stores that are dedicated to natural and organic plant-based products. There, you can find fortified plant milks, gluten-free and organic groceries, and natural healthcare products. If you are having any difficulty finding a certain plant-based or vegan item in your local store, just ask a member of staff to help you. Don't forget to check out your local health food store, as they'll have many plant-based and vegan items which you won't find in other stores. Additionally, many health food stores often host free health talks by nutritionists or naturopaths, and they usually have free health magazines at the checkout. You can also shop online, as there are many online retailers that carry plant-based and vegan products, including iHerb.com and Amazon.com. Finding healthy recipes. If you're searching for healthy plant-based and vegan recipes, you can visit your local library for cookbooks, join plant-based Facebook groups for recipes and inspiration, or watch videos on certain YouTube channels such as Pickup Limes, So Vegan, The Happy Pear, and Avant-Garde Vegan. Additionally, there are many websites that have recipes which are plant-based, vegan, and gluten-free, including our own website. You can view our ever-growing collection of recipes at replenishhealth.net/recipes. Weekend food prep. Prepping a few foods on the weekend can greatly cut down meal prep time throughout the week. We recommend cooking plant proteins such as gluten-free whole grains and legumes, chopping vegetables to eat raw, roasting a tray of vegetables to add to energy bowls or top salads with, making a hummus to use as a dip or spread, and prepping energy bites for a quick, healthy treat. Supplementation. Many people are deficient in certain nutrients, regardless of their dietary choices. About 1/3 of the US population is at risk for anemia or deficiency of at least one vitamin. Some common deficiencies include iron, magnesium, iodine, calcium, and vitamin D. Talk to your doctor if you suspect you have a nutrient deficiency. Dr. Michael Greger of nutritionfacts.org has a very good article on the best supplements to take when on a plant-based diet. You can find the link in the description below. Get encouragement and support. If you are transitioning to a plant-based or vegan diet, do it in your own time. Remember that going plant-based isn't a quick fix. Rather, it's about making lasting dietary and lifestyle changes. It's important to have people who will come alongside you on your journey to better health. Join our private Facebook group for healthy plant-based recipes, tips on transitioning, plus support and encouragement. You can find the link in the description below. We suggest tracking your diet and health with our diet and lifestyle tracker, as this will help you to discover which plant foods work best for your body and how a plant-based diet is impacting your overall health. We've linked this and further resources in the description below. Did you enjoy this video? If so, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. In our next wellness video, we'll be looking at 20 essential pantry staples if you are on a plant-based or vegan diet. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more natural health and wellness videos every Wednesday.